The Xiaomi 14T brings a host of standout features to the table, making it a serious contender in the mid-range market. With its Leica-tuned camera system, vibrant 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, and the powerful MediaTek Dimensity A3 Ultra chipset, this device promises a lot. It's priced at $450. It positions itself as a value-packed option in the competitive market. But does it really offer enough to stand out in a crowded market? Let's find out. As usual, the unboxing is straightforward. Inside the box, you get everything you need to get started. You get the Xiaomi 14T device showcasing its sleek and solid build. You get USB-C cable for fast charging and data transfer. And sadly, there's no charging brick included, but this device supports 67 watts fast charging. You get a SIM injector tool for easy SIM setup and some quick start documentations to guide you through the initial setup. Now let's get back to the review. For the display, the 14T features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with smooth 144Hz refresh rate, along with HDR10 Plus support, delivering vibrant colors, deep contrast for immersive viewing experience. One of the standout features of this device is the 4000 nits peak brightness, which is brighter than most flagship like the 15 Pro Max, which peaks at 2000 nits. While the 14T outshines in terms of brightness, it doesn't quite match up the iPhone's vibrancy and color accuracy. However, considering the price point, the 14T display is still one of the best in the market and it still offers great value. You also get an 89.1 screen to body ratio, which maximizes the screen space. It provides almost edge-to-edge experience perfect for watching content, gaming, and general use. For the design, this device looks really premium. It's sleek and slim, making it look really stylish. It's portable, weighs about 195 grams. This device feels solid in the hand and yet remains comfortable for daily use. It comes with IP68 rating, making it dust resistant and capable of withstanding water immersion for 30 minutes. This feature is mostly seen in high-end phones and it adds durability without compromising the design. You also get flexible SIM options like eSIM and dual SIM, which is rare in mid-range devices. Most mid-range devices in this price point only come with dual SIMs. For the software, the 14T runs on HyperOS over Android 14, providing a smooth, fast, and user-friendly experience. HyperOS works very smoothly with the Dimensity A300 Ultra processor, which means you get quick performance, smooth multitasking, and efficient battery usage. You can also personalize the look of your phone, from themes to icon shapes to what fits your style and preference. For AI feature, you get options like Circle to Search. It's an AI search image tool that lets you find information by circling an object or image on your screen. Popularly seen on Samsung and Google devices, it's perfect for identifying products or places quickly. You also get Gemini, which is similar to ChatGPT. It's an AI assistant that helps you answer questions, write notes, or even provide suggestions in real time. There's Image Eraser. This tool helps you remove unwanted objects from photos with just a tap, giving you cleaner and more professional looking photos. Now for the OS experience, the 14T has reduced bloatware, so the phone feels fast and responsive without unnecessary apps slowing it down. For software updates, Xiaomi promises 4 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patches. This is quite great because most competitors don't offer long-term software support, and it's essential to keeping your device up to date with the latest features. Now the camera is the star of this device. The 14T features a triple 50-megapixel setup with wide, telephoto, and ultra-wide lenses. The camera is equipped with a Leica lens and Ultra HDR, delivering crisp and detailed photos. It's capable of 4K recording, making it one of the best cameras in its price range for capturing both still and video. For the selfie camera, you get a 32-megapixel front camera which supports HDR10+, and you can also record at 4K. While it takes good selfies, it's not quite on par with the main camera in terms of clarity and details. For the camera features, you get OIS for steadier shots and videos, as well as AI enhancement to improve image quality. However, the AI processing sometimes gives you a slightly cartoonish effect, which may not be appealing to everybody. Overall, I think the 14T camera system is quite well-rounded. For battery and charging, the 14T is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, providing excellent power. It supports 67 watts fast charging, allowing you to top up this device from 0 to 100 in just 45 minutes. The battery is designed to handle both light and heavy tasks throughout the day. For example, I used the 5G hotspot for 24 hours, connecting it to my iPhone, and my battery lasted for 24 hours without dying, which is quite impressive. If it was the other way around, the iPhone won't last more than 6 hours. Also, the 14T supports reverse charging, which can allow you to charge other devices like your watch and your buds. For sound, the 14T features stereo speakers with high-res audio support, which delivers clear and crisp sound with good depth. It's great for watching videos, gaming, and listening to music. However, while the audio is detailed and enjoyable, it's not the absolute best I've seen for this price range. You might notice the bass can be deeper and the sound isn't as good as most premium devices. There's also no 3.5mm headphone jack, but you get high-res wireless audio, which provides excellent sound when using Bluetooth headphones or buds. Now, for better understanding on the sound quality of this device, here's how it sounds. Now let's talk about performance. The 14T is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 83 Ultra chipset, which is a 4nm processor. It offers impressive performance for a mid-range device. With 12GB of RAM, UFS 4.0 storage up to 512GB, this device ensures smooth multitasking and makes sure your app loads fast. With an AnTuTu score of 1.3 million, the 14T competes with high-end devices, delivering fast, reliable performance for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. In terms of gaming, the 14T excels. It's optimized for popular titles like PUBG, running on HDR graphics and extreme frame rates. It can play Call of Duty Mobile at very high graphics and max frame rates. For Warzone, it handles the game at low graphics and low resolution, which is quite surprising. It seems Xiaomi hasn't fully optimized its device for this game, and most devices with lower AnTuTu score can run it at medium graphic settings. As usual, pros and cons before I give my conclusion. Pro number 1. Impressive chipset. MediaTek Dimensity 300 Ultra chipset, 12GB of RAM. It's amazing. Multitasking is smooth. Gaming is really smooth. Plus 1.3 million AnTuTu benchmark score. This is one of the highest scores from a chipset from a mid-range device. Pro number 2, amazing camera. The Leica camera system, it's amazing. 50 megapixel camera takes photos like a professional camera. It's not perfect, but one of the best I've seen from the price range. Pro number 3, impressive battery, fast charging. 67 watts fast charging. It's quite amazing. Although Vivo has the same fast charging for the V40, but the battery is amazing. It's long lasting. As I said, I will hotspot my phone and forget about it. I can use it for 24 hours without being scared of, oh, my battery will die. It's quite impressive. So my final pro is flexible SIM options. You get dual SIM option, you get eSIM option. Plus, it's even water resistant. You can immerse in water for 30 minutes, which is really cool. For the cons, they're not much, but there's one particular con that stressed me. The display, it's really good, but it's not vibrant. It's not as vibrant as most devices. I expected crystal clear display. It's clear, but not crystal clear. But for the price point, what can we say? And for my conclusion, I think the 14T has everything a smartphone user would want in terms of performance, display quality, and camera capability, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a mid-range device with high-end features. The Dimensity 3 chipset, AMOLED display, Leica camera sets it apart from the competition. Most devices have these specs, but not as good as this. Yes, there's one drawback. As I said earlier, the display is not as vibrant as flagship device, but it still offers great value for the price, especially for those of you that are looking for performance and photography. Overall, I would say it's an amazing device and a solid contender in the mid-range market. I would say it's one of the best I've reviewed so far, and I would recommend it for anybody that's looking for a good mid-range device that can do it all. Anyways, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and also drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the device, my review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.